Okay, that was just my Sara Lee classic pound cake that I diced up. We're gonna go ahead and put this to the side and bring in our Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake, and I have 2 of those right here. I'm gonna start off with some red food dye in our first one. Beautiful. And we're gonna bring in our spatula and we're gonna mix that red food dye with the no-bake cheesecake till we get a nice vibrant red. All right, I think that looks good enough. Now for this one, you could probably guess it, we're gonna do our classic blue food dye. And just like with the red, we're gonna mix this until it is a vibrant blue. All right, so we have our red cheesecake and our blue cheesecake. Let's go ahead and put these to the side super quick. And I have here some little Dixie cups that I'm going to lay out. I have 6 total for this super easy dessert. Now I'm gonna bring back our red cheesecake and we're gonna scoop our red cheesecake right at the bottom of our little cups. We're probably gonna do a couple scoops, but this cheesecake stuff is so delicious. It's literally my favorite thing. I've only found it at Walmart, but if you can't find this, you can make your own homemade. All you need is cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla. It's that easy. Let's go ahead and get our scoops in. All right, now I'm gonna bring in our little pound cake that we cut up, and I'm gonna do a layer of our pound cake right on top of that red cheesecake. This will also help flatten out our cheesecake. And this is kind of gonna play into the red-white part of the American flag for this easy, patriotic, no-bake dessert. Kids will love this, family will love this. It's so easy just to throw together. You just need a few ingredients for this easy and delicious treat. Okay, let's get our pieces in there. And you know what, we're missing our blue. So now we're gonna do the same thing we did with the red, but with our blue cheesecake in these cute little cups. Now I'm obviously using these little Dixie cups, but you could just use like mason jars or a bowl, or you can do this in a big trifle dish. Whatever you have will work because the flavors here are what everyone's gonna be talking about. So let's go ahead and get our blue cheesecake in our little cups. All right, that blue looks absolutely gorgeous. Now I have some homemade whipped cream that I'm gonna pipe right on top of that cheesecake because the whipped cream is just gonna be the perfect finishing touch for this dish. And of course, we are gonna decorate it a little bit, but these flavors are what we are talking about. Yummy.
Oh, this looks so delicious.
Oh yeah. All right, looks like I made just enough. Beautiful. Now, of course, we're gonna come in with some sprinkles. I know it doesn't need more sugar, but it's just gonna make it look so much pretty. So we have our red, white, and blue little trifle mini desserts, no bake, easy, perfect for 4th of July. So easy to throw together morning of or the night before, and they taste amazing. Oh yeah. Oh, I cannot wait to dig in. Look how cute those are. All right.
Is it good?
It's insane. You guys have to try it.